Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video I'll show you how to generate student's grade using Microsoft Excel if function. To do this, just open your Microsoft Excel. By knowing simply the location of the first student's total score, for example, this is found under column I and row number 3. Therefore, it is on I3. If I want to generate the grade, type equal to if function. Click on the if. Now enter your logical test. I3 greater than or equal to 90, comma, the grade will be open quotation mark, let's say A plus, close the quotation mark, comma, if, open the bracket, I3 is greater than or equal to 85, comma, open the quotation mark, the grade is A, close the quotation mark, comma, if I3 greater than or equal to 80, let's say, comma, generate the grade as B in quotation mark, comma, if, open the bracket, I3 is greater than or equal to 70, let's say, this sample, not the exact grading system, comma, generate the grade as C in quotation mark, comma, if, open bracket, I3 is greater than or equal to 50, comma, open quotation mark, the grade is D, close the quotation mark, comma, else the grade will be generated as F. Therefore, now count the number of open brackets: 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 5 close brackets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then enter. Now the grade of the first student is C. In order to know the other's grade, double click on the plus sign. This is the grade for all the students according to our grading system. Therefore, you can print out this student's grade automatically. Next, I will come back with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.